Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Avid Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding calculate product final price. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Pandas schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called products with three different columns, product ID, category and price, product ID being the unique key for this table. We are also given a second table called discounts with two different columns, category and discount, category being the primary key for this table, and each row contains a product category and the percentage discount applied to that category. Values range from 0 to 100. We are asked to write a solution to find the final price of each product after applying the category discount. If a product's category has no associated discount, its price remain unchanged. Return the result table ordered by product ID in ascending order. Okay, let's go through the example. So here we have products table where we have four different products belonging to categories electronics, clothing, electronics and home and their prices. And then we have a discounts table where we have a 10% discount in electronics and 20% discount in clothing. So if we look at firstly for product ID 1, electronics, the price is 1000, but there is a 10% discount. That means $100 should be off. So the final price should be 900. Similarly, we can go ahead and do for clothing, for this one and home, there is no discount. So the final price should remain 500. And that is what we have in our output. So since the discounts is in a different table than the products, so we can join this using the category column so that we have the discount also in the same place. And then from there, we can go ahead and calculate the final price. So what we are going to do is from this table called products, let's alias this as P. Let us perform a left join on the discounts table aliased as D, and let's use the common column category to perform the join. And then what do we need to keep from both the tables? Let's keep every column from the products table and let's keep only the discount column because that is what is important for us. Let us go ahead and run this and see what do we get in our output. Okay, so if I scroll this up and if we look at our output, what we have here is we have all the products, their category and price and the discounts. And if it is coming out to be null, basically there is no discount. So what we can do is we can say that if this comes out to be null, just replace it with 0. So if null, you replace this with 0 and let's alias this as discount and let me run this again and let's see what do we get. So basically now this discount is 0. Okay. Now what we need is we need to calculate the final price. How can we do that is if we divide the discount by 100, that is going to give you a fraction. If you subtract 1 minus that fraction and multiply that entire thing by the price. So for example, if you do 10 divided by 100 is 0.1, 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9 and 0.9 multiplied by 1000 is 900. And that is going to be the final price of the product ID 1. Right? So that is what we are going to do is let's do this. So this entire thing is discount. Let us divide this by 100 and then subtract 1. So 1 minus this entire thing. And then what we do is we need to multiply this by price column and price is coming from the products table. So p dot price and let's alias this as whatever is required in our output. This is final price. So I will replace this with final price. The first column is going to be product ID. So instead of p dot star, p dot product ID. And let me just, drag this to the left so that it's easier for us to see. And now what is the third column that we want? Category again coming from the products table. So p dot category. It's not completed, but let's look at what do we get. So even though this says accepted, there is one thing that we are still missing. So our output has exactly expected output, but we also need to order this by product ID in ascending order. So let us do this order by p dot product ID in ascending order. Okay, now let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit it, pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted and this is our it. So not a difficult question. What we basically had to do was firstly, we joined the products table and the discounts table using the category column so that we have all the required information in one place. Then we kept only the product ID, the category column, and we calculated the final price using firstly We got the discount column from the discounts table and substituted that if it is coming out to be null, then replace it with 0 because there is no discount. We divided that by 100, subtracted 1 from that fraction, and then multiplied with the original price to get the final price, and finally ordered by product ID in ascending order. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.